Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my Poison Ivy makeup. I'm doing the Uma Thurman version from Batman and Robin. First, I start by applying a light coat of foundation to even out my skin tone. Then I apply some Elmer's glue stick over my eyebrow hairs. I shape my brow with a brush. And I do the other brow. Then I finish applying my foundation. I apply my foundation a little heavier over my eyebrow. Then I go over it again with some powder foundation to make it thicker. Next, I use a very warm liner pencil and fill in my eyebrows. She has very long, thin brows. Next, I use this beige eyeshadow to contour my face. I define my cheekbones to make my face look thinner, and I also go around my nose, as well as my temples and forehead. Then I apply some warm pink blush pretty heavily on my cheeks. I go over the center of my nose with some light powder to highlight it. Next, I'm going to apply her dramatic eyeshadow using Surreal Makeup. I apply it in a line under my eyes. And I wing it out at the end. Then I use this yellow shadow in the shade Fame over my eyelid. I apply the shade Rattlesnake in the crease of my eye. Then I apply the shade Sunflower under my eyebrow. Next, I use the shade Apple Teeny above my lash line. With the shade Cinnamon, I wing it up in the crease of my eye. I also drag it to the center of my eye and down my nose. I connect it to the line under my eye. Then I use the light green shade and drag it down from my tear duct. I use a matte white powder to brighten under my eyes and down the center of my nose. Next, I line my lip with a liner pencil. I apply a peachy shimmery lip gloss. Then I take this shimmery highlighter and brush it over my lips, over the tops of my cheek, and on the center of my nose. I use a reddish liner pencil and touch up my eyebrows. Then I put in these contact lenses. I will add a link to where I got them in the description. Next, I line my eye with black eyeliner. First, I line my upper lash line, then line my waterline. I use black mascara and apply it heavily to my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm putting my hair up in 2 wig caps to compress it. I clip the cap down so it doesn't move around. Then I used my fingers to shift the hair around to get rid of any lumps. I styled this wig myself. I'll show you how I did it in my next video. I just put on the wig and glue it down with some eyelash glue, but you can use any adhesive you prefer. I let the glue dry, then it's time to put on the leaf mask. I have a pattern link in the description so you can print it out and make it at home. Next, I'll show you how I made it. First, I hand drew out a pattern. I cut it out, then I traced the pattern pieces onto craft foam. Once I'm done cutting out the pieces, I hot glue them together in order. I peel the glued together piece off the paper, and now I glue the back side of it to thin fabric to hold it all together and make it more durable. I cut off the excess fabric. And here you can see how it looks all glued together. Then I use a pen and draw on the leaf veins. When I'm done tracing the veins, I go over it with some Mod Podge. When the Mod Podge is dry, I paint the mask light yellow. Then I go over it with some gold paint. And I detail it with red paint. You can also use the same pattern and method to make her green mask too. Here's what the mask looks like all finished. I use eyelash glue and glue on my leafy eyebrows. I let it get tacky, then stick it to my face. Then I hold it in place and wait for it to dry. And that's pretty much it for the makeup. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and maybe learned some stuff you can apply towards your next project. Poison Ivy is such a fun character to be, and this was one of my favorite movies as a kid. I have lots of other cosplay makeup tutorials and costume how-to videos on my channel, so feel free to check them out. Also, leave a comment letting me know what other characters you'd want me to try. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!